Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, students?
Students, take out your English workbook. Open page number 19. First we recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Lord, increase my knowledge. Instructions are: match, trace, color. Match, trace, color. Which sound is this? Tell me. Yes. A. A. Now we will trace it. A. And put your pencil on the starting point. Move your pencil anti-clockwise. Go up. Come down in vertical direction. Turn a little. A. Okay. Now we will match the pictures. Starts with A. Which picture is this? Apple. 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 Can we hear the sound of A in start? Apple. 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 So we will match apple with A. So we will match apple with A. This is cat. Cat. Can we hear the sound of A in start? No. So we will not match cat with the sound of A. Which picture is this? These are almonds. Can you hear the sound of A in start? Yes. So we will match almonds with A. This is grasshopper. Can we hear the sound of A in start? No. So we will not match grasshopper with A. We will match A, only the pictures start with A. Okay? Color the apples that have letter A only. Color the apples that have letter A only. Where is A? Here is A. So we will color it. What is the color of apple? Yes, red. We will color red in this apple. This is S. So we will not color it. Students, you will complete this page in the same manner. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.